Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I should say welcome home. I'm going to do a house tour finally. Yeah, so welcome home, welcome back to my channel. And this is the third time I'm trying to record this video. I hope this time it goes well. The first one I've noted when I put this thing here, it's not audible enough, so just be holding it like this. And the other time, someone was in the house, I felt so shy, I couldn't do it. So let me try again. I hope this time I get to upload or I like it. Or the reason as to why I'm doing this way later, I've seen some comments saying that I should do a house tour, and I responded and said I cannot because I have to get consent from my roommate. We live two of us, so I have to get her share of how comfortable or uncomfortable she is with me showing the house. So she said yay, and that's why we are here recording. And I'll show you around our house. So this is the main door. This is the main door that we come in through. And then this is like a whole, I don't know what to call it, but it's a whole space. I get to see the living room, I get to see the kitchen, I get to see the dining. Right corner there is a bathroom slash storage, and then here is our closet. I don't know whether the camera can see this far, but on my right is a closet where we put our go-to jackets, our shoes there. And then when you go up, there are stairs to the bedrooms. So I'll just show you around first. So this area is just as plain as it is. When you come to this side, so this is what you see. This is our simple living room. um, this is a whole window. It's closed for now because it's at night. And then our TV and TV stand area, coffee table, couch, carpet. It's just but a simple living room. And that's our living room. We barely sit here, but when we do, like today, I'm sitting, I have my blanket and a few things that I'm working on. So that's simply our living room, and let me show you in details. This is what you see when you're at the door. You get to, well, I've zoomed in a bit, but this is our dining, sorry, this is our dining area. And it's also a simple dining area with not much. That's how it looks. And then on this door, this is the bathroom slash our storage. We keep extra paper towels, extra toiletries, all those stuff for the toilet. They are in there. I'm not going to show it for now because it's a bit messy. And yeah, so this is simply our dining area. We have several freezers. That's my roommate's freezer, that's mine. And then water dispenser. And in that corner, I don't know if it can see that far, but in that corner we have like a tiny section, a coffee juicer, air fryer section. And that's simply it for our dining area. You see that bucket right there in that corner? That should tell you ugali is bay. Ugali is bay in this house. So that's our kitchen. That's another freezer. We have three freezers in this house. And then a fridge, a broken dishwasher, and yeah, that's how it looks like. A stove, microwave. I would love to do a few changes. Like you see that background wallpaper. There was a time I used to feel like I'm so pissed because they never fix anything. So I felt like maybe let me try like revive the place by putting a few things here and there, but it ran out. You see that gap over there in that bucket too, it was not enough. And sometimes when also you're doing like decorations, you see you are leaving two people, so you need like every time you're doing something you need to consult the other person. And if the other person don't want or they are not for the idea of what you want to do, you end up doing it. That's our kitchen. It's not much. That's how it looks. And yeah. In this corner right here where we have our closet, we have the stairs which lead to the bedrooms. These are the stairs. Again, the wall is plain because I'm trying to learn the landlord if he's someone who make me pay bills after I've taken like the decorations out. But when you go up the stairs, this is what you see. This is like a closet, but it's like where the furnace, those AC things are in. And then this is what you see. That's the bathroom, of course. This is a shared closet between my roommate and I. We keep some extra stuff over there. Let's go straight to the bathroom. So I changed this. You guys have seen. If not, you will see in an upcoming video. I changed that shower head, and yeah, that's our bathroom. Again, that wallpaper thing I was trying to fix. And some 2 LED like to give the bathroom a vibe. So that's how it looks like. And then that's my roommate's room, and you guys have seen my room. This is my room. So guys, this marks the end of our house tour, and I'm happy that I got to show you guys finally our house. And I don't know if I mentioned, this is a 2-bedroom 1.5 bathroom townhouse, and I'm glad that I got to like record this video and show you guys around. And I hope that you like this video, you subscribe and share this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.